Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, we have the following molecule, which I will copy down here. Do a little cleaner job of it. But the question is, how many hydrogen atoms are attached to the indicated carbon atom? Okay, now recall that carbon always needs to have 4 bonds if it's going to be neutral, and we know this carbon is neutral because we don't see any plus signs or minus signs. A carbon that does not have any plus signs or minus signs is neutral, and neutral carbon has 4 bonds. Okay, well, let's count how many bonds this carbon has that are shown explicitly. I see 1 bond to carbon there, 1 bond to carbon there, 1 bond to carbon there, and 1 bond to carbon there. That is, we get a picture that's somewhat like a carbon with a bond to carbon up there, a bond to carbon up there, and 2 bonds to carbon there. That's a total of 4 bonds. Now, we know not every bond to hydrogen is shown when we do bond line drawings. And the rule is that if a carbon has less than 4 bonds, we can assume that the remaining bonds are to hydrogen. For example, with this carbon here that had 2 bonds shown, we know there are 2 bonds to hydrogen. But if a carbon has 4 bonds shown to other carbon atoms, then there's no room, per se, for hydrogen atoms to be attached. That is, you fill up to 4, right? And if we already have 4, there's no bonds to fill in with hydrogen. So this particular atom has 0 hydrogen atoms attached.